Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results. When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Do not dwell on the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. The truth is you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Life is a crazy ride, and nothing is guaranteed. We do not remember days, we remember moments. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.